this video, I will demonstrate the simple process of altering your TikTok display name. First, launch the TikTok application and navigate to your profile by tapping the icon situated in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Your TikTok name will be prominently displayed at the pinnacle of your profile, while your TikTok username can be found directly beneath your profile picture. To modify either of these elements, simply tap the Edit Profile option located in the upper right-hand corner. Upon selecting Edit Profile, you will be directed to a dedicated page where you can effortlessly edit your name. By tapping the current name, you can delete it and input a new one. It is important to note that TikTok imposes a 7-day restriction between name changes. Once you have successfully modified your name, click Save to implement the changes. To finalize the process, tap Confirm, and your TikTok name will be updated accordingly.